So he has two choices because this is the sixth violation report and all his violations have to do with alcohol. All right. We're here on a violation report.
Yes, Judge.
All right. So what are you all going to be asking for before we go on the record? All right. We're going to go on the record. Court is calling NIMAG number 755032, State of Texas versus Dirkland Davy. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Monica Anna Guerrero for Dirkland Davy.
All right, so we're here on a violation report. This is the sixth violation report, and it has to do with skipped retests. All right. So it's obvious to the court, he is with outpatient treatment.
Yes,
With lifetime.
With lifetime.
Obviously, he needs inpatient treatment. The state is asking for a bond increase. Do you want to address that?
We don't think a bond increase will address Mr. Davy's addiction. I agree he does need more help. He is on track with his AA meetings every single day with outpatient. He says he's on the phone 2 to 3 times a week, around 3 hours. He's really addressing his alcohol problem, but it's a process and it's a problem, and he's doing he's making the steps. He admits that he has made this mistake. He fully
No, I mean, he's making bad choices.
had choices.
So here's the thing.
Mhm.
Either his bond is getting increased or he's going into inpatient treatment with lifetime recovery.
Okay.
So,
We
Yes.
have discussed that possibility. My personal recommendation or request to the court was going to be to add a scram to him as an additional measure to what he's already doing. But if the court is requiring inpatient, I talked to Mr. Davy. He's not saying no to it. His concern is that he is a sole provider for his family. His wife just had back surgery on October the 15th. So that puts them in a situation where the family does not have any income coming in. But on the alternative, Mr. Davy does not want to go to jail where he's not going to receive any help with his alcohol
so
addiction.
he has two choices because this is the sixth violation report and all his violations have to do with alcohol. And what the court has done is the court has slowly addressed, well, not slowly, but the court has addressed each violation. And I didn't immediately start with inpatient treatment. I started with outpatient treatment and it's not helping. So that tells me he needs something more. So what I would suggest is that someone gets on the phone and call Lifetime Recovery and see how long it would take them to process him into their inpatient treatment program.
Okay.
So this is me trying to help you, Mr. Davy, and also protect the public. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so just remain in the courtroom. Your attorney is going to call Lifetime Recovery
Yes.
and we will see if they're able to accept you. They should be. So if you'll call them immediately and we'll recess this for now and we'll see what the response is.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's perfect.
Oh, thank you. And thank you so much for dressing appropriately for court. You always do though. Yes. We're back on the record. NIMAG 755032, State versus Dirkland Davy and counsel.
Yes, I did talk with the lifetime admissions for inpatient. He said that they can admit him at on 11/15, which is next Friday at 10 a.m.
All right. Then what the court will order in this case. State, do you have any objections to allowing him to go inpatient treatment? All right. The court's going to order inpatient treatment with lifetime recovery. And what time would that be, counsel?
At 10 a.m.
At 10 a.m. on November 15th. So that's where you'll need to be. Do you understand? And are you still doing your sober support meetings?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to order that you continue with sober support meetings. And do not take this as an opportunity to just go out and drink. Whenever you feel the need to drink, you need to call up and go do a sober support meeting or talk to your sponsor. You understand? All right. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we keep it working like Oouchie the boss. We tryna catch up like we hit us a fault. We gotta win, ain't taking no loss.